If you've built a contact form from scratch using WebEasy Professional 9, you've most likely experienced the annoying pop-up windows when interacting with certain input fields. These fields include the following: checkboxes, radio buttons, list fields, combo boxes, and buttons. If you haven't created a custom form before, you will find these individual input fields by opening the Insert and Modify tab, clicking on the upper half of the object icon, and then going to the Forms tab. Make sure that the Show All Objects option is selected, and then scroll through the list until we find the items preceded with the word Field. These are all of your available input field options in WebEasy. To add an individual input field, select it, click OK, and then click somewhere in the workspace to insert it. Now that we're up to speed on how to add individual input fields, let's learn how to remove the default alert message. We can start by selecting an input field, open the Inspector tool by pressing Ctrl-K, click on the Properties tab, single-click on the value column next to Custom Script, and lastly click on the red X at the bottom of the Inspector tool to clear the alert message. Let's do the same for the rest of the input fields. Now let's preview the page to ensure that the alert messages have been cleared. When we click on the input fields, we should no longer get the pop-ups.